Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phi and this is Money Philosophy. Thank you for coming back for another episode of Tesla Technical Analysis. It is one of my favorite series, Technical Analysis. Today Tesla retraced almost 4% after going up 8% yesterday. And so while that is not good news, I think it's important to look at chart to see what the short-term trajectory look like for Tesla, and as well as the longer-term trajectory, because the company does have a lot of upcoming events that could potentially change the stock to the more bullish side. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a growth stock investor. I invest in Tesla as well as the FANG stocks, and I would love to do technical analysis for you on a regular basis. Comment down below if you'd like to see this type of video daily, and if enough of you like that, I will definitely consider making daily technical analysis for you guys. Other than that, let's get right into the technical analysis for Tesla for today, April the 14th. Here's the daily chart for Tesla at the time of this recording. It is April 14, about 10 minutes before the market closes. Right now, based on the daily chart, Tesla has shown a dark cloud cover, and this is not a good sign for the bull. However, there are a lot of catalysts ahead of Tesla, and so it could be many reasons to spike. Right now, as a matter of technical, every time that the stock pulled above a 50-day simple moving average, as is the case here with this white line here, the stock tends to pull back to retest it. So it's very natural that Tesla pulls back. The pullback today, though, is a little stiff, so I'm not sure what could have caused that. That clearly is people taking profit and not waiting until earnings. But from a long-term investing standpoint, I don't think this should have any bearings on the performance of the stock long-term. On the weekly chart, and I know today is only Wednesday, only halfway through the week, I still think that the weekly chart is still pretty bullish. Of course, it would be ideal if it ended around the 750 or 60 area, but if not, it's not the end of the world. Note that it attempted to fill the gap, the weekly gap that was previously created a while back, and so it kind of retraced down to the 50-day simple moving average since. The hourly chart, Tesla has reached the bottom pivot for the day, which is expected the moment the stock started to pull down. From a technical standpoint, I'm not too excited. I certainly won't be buying calls on Tesla anytime soon here. As for tomorrow, I don't think there would be huge volatility. The upper end of the pivot is around 799, so if it does get to 799,800, that would probably be the max of the day, although I don't think it could get there. The range that I see it moving is between 747 and 713, which also coincides with the 50-day simple moving average. Back to the daily chart here, I do think that Tesla is trying to hold the bullish pattern after having a double bottom. Today's price action is not encouraging at all. If anything, I favor the bear side to the bull side. So with that said, if Tesla could somehow break through this bearish pattern, the next resistance should be 824, 853, and 900. Conversely, if it fails to hold the current level and somehow fall below 711, we're heading back down to 671, 646, 600, 541. On a longer term cycle, I think we have a lot to look forward to, beginning with the earnings call on April 26th. On that call, we should be able to find out the timeline and the readiness of Giga Berlin and Giga Austin, both of which will contribute to the production of vehicles this year and could potentially propel Tesla to above 1 million vehicles per year this year. Additionally, we should find out the approximate timeline where Tesla could produce and sell the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck has over 1 million pre-orders, and I think that it could be the next big cash cow for Tesla in the near term. We should also look to see if Tesla has any potential announcement of a new Gigafactory to be build, I think that is a very strong likelihood. We also should be looking for full self-driving update and release. I know that a limited edition, about a few thousand people have been trying full self-driving and have been loving it. I'm hoping that Tesla will provide some sort of timeline where the mass population could enjoy full self-driving. I'm sure Tesla has been very careful with regulatory compliance and whatnot before issuing those statements, but once full self-driving is out and the general population gets a chance to test and enjoy that function, I think Tesla is gonna take off, because the population out there cannot envision what society would look like, what transportation would look like with full self-driving, essentially robots taking people around, and how that could disrupt the oil industry, the energy industry, as well as the rails industry. I don't think people start seeing that yet. When full self-driving will be released, that will be an opportunity for people to reevaluate Tesla, and I think Tesla could take off then. For now, as long-term investor, I will continue buying. I will patiently wait for new information and new quarterly results that will continue to reassure me that Tesla is on the right track. The moment that Tesla is not on the right track, I will probably scale back on my position, but for now, I think Tesla is way ahead of the competition and definitely is on the right track. So this is it for today's video. I hope you find the information helpful. As always, please leave a comment down below. Consider subscribing to my channel if this video is of benefit to you. Let me know if you like similar technical analysis, and I will make one more regularly for you. And until the next video, bye!